4 helpful tips for messages on your iPhone. Number 4. You can easily unsend the message. Let me show you. After message has been delivered, now you can easily unsend it. All you have to do is long press on it. Different options will pop up. Select the option of undo send. And you are done. You have just unsent the message. Number 3. You can edit the message that you have already sent. Let me show you. After you have sent the message, long press on it. You will get this option of edit. Tap on it. Now you can just edit this message, or you can just type in a whole new message and you can send it. Number 2. You are able to send the subject of a photo using the echo effect. Let me show you. Open your photos. Now you can select any of the picture. Let me select this one. All you have to do is long press on the subject that you want to send. Tap on the option copy. After you copy it, you can open your Messages app and go to the conversation where you want to send it. Tap on the message box and tap on the option of paste. After you paste the subject, long press on this arrow icon. With that, you will get different options. You can use different effect to send the message. Head towards the screen option. You can just swipe. You can use any of the effect to send your message. You can tap on this arrow icon. And in number 1, we have used text replacement for repeated messages. For that, open your settings app. Scroll down and head towards the option of general. Scroll down, go to the option keyboard. Now tap on this option of text replacement. At the top right, you will find this plus icon. Tap on it. Now from here, you can type in the phrase first, and over here you can type in the shortcut. After you are done, you can tap on the option of save. Now open your Messages app and go to the any conversation. Now whenever you type in the shortcut, phrase will pop up in your keyboard and you can send it. So these are the 4 helpful tips for messages on your iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.